Imagine the potential. In the tranquil Windblow Estate of Calibishie, a substantial fixer-upper awaits. This two-storey structure, set on a sprawling 2.355 acres, presents a remarkable opportunity for those with vision. Picture this, 3,025 square feet per floor, ready to be reimagined. While Hurricane Maria's impact is evident, the bones of this property remain strong. The house itself stood firm, a testament to its original construction. Sadly, the roof was lost, a victim of post-hurricane looting leading to the subsequent deterioration. Let's walk through what was. The upper level boasted a generous living space, an open area, a kitchen and a dining room, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a large balcony designed to capture the refreshing coastal air. Downstairs, 2 separate apartments offered flexibility, potential for extended family or rental income. This isn't just a house, it's an opportunity. 2.355 acres of land ready for your personal touch in the beautiful serene setting of Calibishie. Don't let this chance pass you by. Schedule a tour to see this fixer-upper on 2.355 acres in Calibishie. Call us today at 1-767-4400878 or 613-2439. Or, if you prefer, fill out the form on our website. Your Calibishie dream awaits.